how to get notified when other people delete your content you added in iCloud Photos Share Library on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on your Apple ID or the Apple account at the top here, tap on your name. Then we go down and tap on iCloud. Next, tap on Photos. Then we go down and tap on Share Library. Next, tap on Deletion Notifications. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. When this is turned on, you will get notified when other participants delete the content you added in the iCloud Photos Share Library. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.